morning, and I said that after...
Morning, she said.
Oh, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And I said that after dinner we were heading to...
Ooh, you keep shocking me.
After dinner we were heading to the show in Eden. We did not make it to the show in Eden. We actually ended up watching a movie at the Sunset Bar. No. What is it called?
Rooftop bar.
Garden.
Yes.
Oh, that looked good. That pina colada.
Mr. Malcolm's List.
Yeah, we ended up watching that movie, and then after the movie we ended up doing a live, which was an impromptu live, which is midnight for us, and 5 o'clock Eastern time, or Central time.
Central.
And a lot of you, stop shocking me.
I'm gonna stop walking beside you. Keep shocking me.
You don't walk beside me that often, so that's why, okay. A lot of you actually joined us on our impromptu live, and we had a good time. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Can you still hide behind me?
It was fun.
It was fun, yeah. Like I said before, I don't like lives as much as he do. Because I can't edit lives.
So she just say whatever and then she can't take it back.
Yeah, so I get in trouble a lot.
She can't edit it out.
If you ever want to see me put my foot in my mouth,
it happens on every live.
Every live. Right now we are actually heading to do an excursion on the C-Day. Yeah, I didn't tell you. Today's the C-Day. Today's the actual.
If you don't know from the shirts.
It is our first and only C-Day on board Celebrity Beyond.
Which is also day 8.
Yeah,
day 7.
Day 7. So we decided to sleep it in today, order room service, and then we came out here to take some pictures, which you gotta go check our Instagram to see those pictures that we took in our shirt, of course, to support the movement. And right now we are going to get ready to go to our excursion, which
starts in the next like 10 minutes.
Is it called an excursion? Our tour.
We're
gonna go to our tour, which starts in 10 minutes. I'm not gonna vlog it, unfortunately for you. I don't think I can vlog it because it is in all access. Exclusive all access tour for shit. So if I get a few pictures here and there, maybe, but no videos. I don't want to get.
They'll tell us though.
Yeah, they'll let us know. But I'm gonna go drop off all this equipment because we can only bring our bodies. So
we'll see how it goes.
First stop was the prep areas for all the main dining rooms. We got to see where the desserts are prepared, where they wash all the utensils and dishes on board, as well as the area, which was interesting to me, of where they prep all the meals for those that have allergies on board the sailing. This is I-95, located on the lower deck. This is their main hallway. This is the food storage room where all the food is stored. The food does get restocked every turnaround day, so they are always stocked up. Oh, that's me. Anyways, next up is the liquor room. Looks to me like there was more liquor on the ship than there was food. Let me know what y'all think. Comment below. The next stop was the garbage room, and all cans on board do get smashed, and all glass actually gets shredded. That's the before. This is the lovely machine where the shredding does happen. And once that is done, this is how everything looks. We are back on I-95, and now we are heading to another lower deck. Now we are in the towels in the sheets room. A whole lot of towels and sheets was up in here, and I don't know what this machine was. I kind of forgot. But anyways, so it's one of those big machines though. Like and oh, that is a towel folder. It folds the towels just like that, which is pretty neat. So yeah, so this was the sheets folder, and the sheets fold like that. Okay, I knew what it was. Those are some brand new towels. They still in the plastic, child. Anyway, so now we are walking through the rest of the laundry room. This is a big area, of course. You gotta house and store and wash and clean all these towels and sheets. But let's do a quick walkthrough. Okay, on to the next room. This is the valet laundry room. So if you valet laundry, it's done here. And here is the cruise laundry room. And I was happy to know that it's free for them. Here is the crew mesh hall. I don't know. This would a crew eat. Getting ready to go to the bridge now.
You like it?
Pictures only.
Arrivederci. Buongiorno.
Embarrassing.
Yamada.
You hear that, Jennifer? She called you embarrassing. Anyway, so this vlog did include 2 days. Or not.
Yeah.
Of sea day, because we didn't really come off the ship to show you much, and we didn't really do a lot on the ship. Like,
it was rest days overall. To say, can't say it better than that. It was just a few rest days.
Correct. A 9-night cruise where you had to fly for a long time with only 1 sea day is not a joke.
Yeah.
It's not for the faint of heart, people.
As the late David Arnold would say, it ain't for the weak.
No, it's not for the weak. And if you don't want to continue to be weak, you got to take some rest days. So either you're going to use the sea days to rest and rejuvenate, or you're going to use the sea days to add more stress to your vacation.
Or use a port day and say, listen, I don't need to see this port. No.
That's true. Very true.
We'll figure it out another time.
So today we did end up going on the all access tour behind the scenes. And initially I figured we couldn't take pictures or vlog, record anything, because of course you got to pay for things like that, right?
Yep.
But apparently we were able to record. So yeah, that tour was pretty interesting. I wish Captain Kate was on board. That would have been nice to meet her.
That would be awesome. She probably would have been around for us to meet her.
Yeah, the current captain apparently was resting.
Which he has to do.
Like everybody. If the captain got a rest, you got a rest too.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's a pretty interesting tour. For dinner, we ended up going back to the main dining room today. We went to the main dining room on the first night, and today we went back to the main dining room.
Yeah, we went to the one called Cyprus. First night we went to Cosmopolitan, and tonight we went to Cyprus.
And tonight was chic night as well as lobster night. After dinner, we went to a magic show, and the musician guy was like, record me. Musician.
Magician. Why you keep saying musician? Musician.
That guy said, record me, take my pictures, tag me, and all that good stuff.
What else did he say? So if we try to figure out how he do it.
Okay, so here are the clips for you to try and figure out how he did it.
By the way, please feel free to take videos, pictures, all the way through the show. You might want to watch them afterwards, try and figure this stuff out. Ready?
Shall we begin?
No, I can't figure it out. I watched them clips over and over and over. Well, the one with the rope, I watched a few times, trying to figure it out. I'm convinced that it's a magnet of some sort, but I don't know.
I have no clue what it is. I have no idea how him do it.
We know how he got the straight jacket.
Yeah.
It's the dislocating his shoulder situation, because he told us that, and we all definitely can't dislocate our shoulder and put it back. So
At random.
he could keep that. He could keep that one. And then after the musician show, we went to the magician. I said it right. Shin. What I say?
Musician.
After that show, we ended up going to the club because they had a live rock show. And I took a few clips of that here. You can see those on the screen. I'll talk through it because you don't want to hear it. I'm playing. Here are those clips. That was where we ended our night for tonight. And we came back to our room and found some terrible, terrible paperwork on our door.
Horrible.
The most disrespectful thing to ever go on someone's stateroom door. And the cruise was going so well.
Until we found these papers.
Yeah, we were making friends. Everybody was liking us. We was liking them, you know. All the pleasantries. And then we come back to this lovely note. Can you show them the note? Show them the paper. The disrespect. That.
And then a letter telling us that we have to get off the ship by 6:45 a.m. on disembarkation day. Why would you do that? Why would you keep telling us about disembarkation day?
Not even that.
2 days before the cruise ends.
We had 3 more nights to sleep on the ship. 3 more nights to sleep. And they already kicking us off.
That's just rude.
Celebrity Beyond. What did we do you? Anyways. Just joking, guys. They've been getting those out earlier and earlier every time. So.
Yeah.
I guess you want to get everybody prepared and ready to get out of here. But so that's where we end today. Tomorrow we will be in
Palma de Mallorca.
There we go. We don't have an excursion book, but we did find out that there are shuttles that will take you to the city center or to some cathedral, drop off, pick you up.
We'll figure it out.
And you'll figure it out with us. So we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. And our catchphrase is, bye guys. We need a catchphrase.
Adios.